tactical hook. Hello, welcome back. Let's check out together a new plastic hook. This is a metal hook which is already existing in the market for a long time. We adopted its design and function and made it to whole plastic parts, which is lighter and free from a needle detector. Please see where you can use it. In case of 25mm hook, you could attach it to small wallet or accessory bag and click it to anywhere in your bag. And if you have a shoulder strap with 2 pieces of these hooks, it will make your bag look tactical and strong. As another example, you could use 38mm tactical hook for duffel bag to attach a shoulder strap. You could easily attach and detach it to D-ring or webbing loop. 38mm is strong enough to use for duffel bag in average 60 kg break strength.
If you are interested in this new buckle and have any question, please email to below address. And also visit Woojin website. You can find more variety options from it. As always, Woojin buckle will fuel your desire to create better products.